Yo, it's your boy Rodney Perry. I'm bringing you an evolutionary experience. Hey, it's game time.
Hi, this is India with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking play. I typically load videos every Wednesday covering topics related to fashion, luxury, the resale market, contemporary brands. So if you are interested in any of those topics, please consider subscribing. And also, if you can't get it out, and also if you are enjoying what you're watching, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started with today's topic, which will be on bag maintenance, leather care, shoe care. This will fit in all of those categories if you have a leather product, so keep watching. So as you can see in the video title, I will be talking about a leather product that I use to clean my Kate Spade wallet. So actually this is after it has been cleaned and conditioned. So I want to show you the end result. And I took some photos before so that way you can compare them to after. There you go. Side. So it's back in its fighting condition, which I am so excited about because I really did enjoy using this little panda cute card holder. I've had it for almost a year, and so I was really sad when I ended up using a leather conditioner wipe on it. And I want to say that it's definitely not anything against the brand that I used, which I'll actually grab that one so you can see it, because I actually have used that one on a pair of Tory Burch boots. I've also used them on other leather goods that I have, and it works excellent. Disappointed when I used the leather wipe on it and noticed that when I let it dry, it had this white, I was pretty much trying to get rid of a white spot on it, and what happened was it looked like the white spot just basically spread around the entire leather. And so I was so sad when that happened. Ordered another leather cleaner to try it out to hopefully see if that would work. I don't think it, I'm not sure, I'll say that. I'm not 100% sure whether it was the leather cleaner that I used or whether it was a combination of the leather cleaner and the lotion that I had on my hands. I did have a thicker lotion on my hand when I was trying to clean this off, and I don't know whether it just didn't soak into my hands all the way, and so there was also some residue from my hands that spread, and so that allowed the leather conditioner as I was cleaning the wallet all over to basically spread the oil, spread the lotion, spread whatever chemicals were in the lotion across. So I'm not 100% certain what caused the issue, but I'm just very glad that I was able to clean it up. All that to say, definitely when you look at leather cleaners, when you look at any type of cleaners, stain removers, they always have an item, a sentence listed down at the bottom that pretty much says, test this in a inconspicuous area. Definitely, so that way if there's an issue with that product and the combination of the chemicals that that product uses and how your leather, what type of leather you have, how it's finished, it could possibly ruin or take away color or change the leather of your item or change the fabric. So you really want to make sure that you're testing it out. And just to go to show you, I've used that same leather wipe on other leather products and it's done fine. Definitely it's not a knock on the leather cleaner, and I'll actually show the leather cleaners right here. Actually, let me grab it. So this is the leather cleaner that I used on it, and notice that the white wipes were going across it. That's my fault. I should have tested it. I got comfortable because I had, like I mentioned, successfully used this on other leather products that I have. Actually, I use these on all my leather pieces that it agrees with. I use them on all my leather pieces to kind of like spruce them up, brighten them up for those items that kind of just need a little boost before I resell them and photograph them. So I do use this to kind of spruce up things and clean it. And so that's why it's important, like I mentioned, to actually test it out first. So I got a little comfortable because I used this successfully, like I mentioned, on other leather products. Just use the white, and white haze was everywhere. So pretty much test it out first. That's the moral of the story. Let me drop this down below and then we'll go ahead and move on. All right, so let me grab the leather cleaner that I did use. So it is called Apple Leather Care. I purchased it off of Amazon. I had to pause for a second because for whatever reason I was about to say YouTube. I'm not sure why, but this is what it came with. So came in this little pack like this. It comes with a cleaning cloth. Now, I was a little surprised about this cleaning cloth because I would have expected it to be softer. I would basically describe the quality of this cleaning cloth to be the equivalent of you going to like a seedy motel, and this is the cleaning rag that they give you to wash yourself. So it's very thin, it's rough. It did work on my wallet, so it wasn't an issue, but I did expect it to be softer. So that's, you know, just something I noticed. The leather products work absolutely wonderful, and I did use the cloth to clean them off. So, hey, you know, they may know what they're the leather experts, so maybe that's what you should use. It's just was something that I noticed. Anyway, so it does come in a pack. However, you do have the option to purchase these separately. I decided to get them in a pack because I just wanted to go ahead and not mix products and use a conditioner from another brand and use a cleaner from this brand. The two of these together was somewhere around the $20 range. I want to say it may have been like $16, $17. So with shipping, I want to say maybe I paid no more than $22. So not super expensive, and a little bit goes a long way with these products. So this will take you for a while. So it comes with a little care booklet as well. And I really like the fact that since I live here in the States, I really do love to support local businesses that are within, not the state, but within the United States. If I can't find something that's in Georgia, which is where I live. So if I can't find an item there, then in Georgia, locally, I don't know why I even digress to that, but just to say, the item is manufactured in Michigan. So I just really like to support businesses that are U.S. based as much as I possibly can, and so I was very excited to see that they were here in the States. So it came in this package, worked really well. I'll also throw in photos of the before, and you've already seen the after. So this definitely works. Definitely consider buying this. I will keep this in my repertoire of leather maintenance, handbag maintenance, accessory maintenance products. Just to show a different aspect of maintenance of handbags. So not only do you purchase them and you spend a lot of money on these bags, but you do shoes, accessories, everything. You do want to keep them up, and you want to basically take care of them. So it just gives you more use out of it, more range when you take care of your products. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions related to leather care, I am totally not an expert. However, I can give you some tips on and advice on the products that I have used, which I've only used 3 leather cleaning products, which is the first one that I showed you, which is, I want to say it's Weeman. I've also just now been a user of this, so I love this one. And then also I've used the Coach leather conditioner as well, and those work. All of them work great. So like I mentioned, if I have not said this enough before, always, always, always read the instructions and also test that item in a spot that is not as obvious. So in case it does not react well with your leather, good. At least it's not in a spot where it's very obvious and you can continue to use that product. So always keep that in mind, whether that's leather care, whether that's just general fabric care, if you don't take anything else away. So thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it, and definitely leave comments, suggestions below of experiences that you have had with leather products and how you've been able to revive them, restore them, or if you have any questions. This is totally supposed to be a community, so if people have advice to give, definitely leave that below and folks can write back to you. So see you next week. Thanks. Bye.